Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very quickly and easily get rid of the sound icon next to the time on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video. Also write your comments. So friends, let's get started and now I will show you closer what I mean. And as you can see, I have this sound icon next to the time. And some people may not understand what it is and how to get rid of it, so to speak, because not many people understand the functionality of this icon. So friends, this sign means that you have a mode called voice control enabled on your iPhone. You might have turned it on unintentionally or you might have, let's say, forgotten to turn it off. Now you realize that this is it. And now I'm going to show you how you can easily get rid of this icon and turn off voice control at the same time. To do this, open up your iPhone settings, scroll down a little bit, click on Accessibility. Select Voice Control and just click Turn Off on this button right here next to the word Voice Control. As you can see, right next to the time, this sound icon right here disappeared, and that means that this feature has been turned off. With this simple and very fast method, you can get rid of the sound icon next to the time on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.